Hello everyone. We are in Lab 1a right now. So the purpose of this Lab 1a is to set up your computer. So what we are going to do is very simple. You know, you need to go to your textbook, and if you are using Windows system, then use Appendix A. If you are using Mac OS operating system, go to Appendix B. I'm showing you how to set up your Windows system. So let's go through it step by step. So click on it. Once you click, uh, you will see this website. I mean, we will see this the book, and then here actually the main information is in this particular page. So you will see that you have to go to uh, download and install the source code for this book. So you go to www.murex.com. Basically you have to find the page for Murex JavaScript and jQuery 4th edition. So let me go there. So actually I visited this page before, so I go there and go to the free downloads. Under the free downloads you can see that there is a, I mean, you can do it two different ways. You can do the, for Windows you can do the exe file, and that should download a setup file named jq4 all files exe. You can also do a, I mean, you can also prefer to download a zip file instead of the exe file. So in that case you have to follow different set of instructions. So as I was saying that you could prefer to use a zip file instead of the exe file. So this is applicable for any system. You use the Mac, you use the Windows, it's better to get the zip files instead. So here are the steps for getting the zip file. So go to that JavaScript and jQuery book, and inside in that particular page click on free downloads and then click on zip file. When you click on the zip file for any system, you will be prompted to register. Now you can register it using any email address that you prefer, maybe your school's email address, that should be fine. And then you can download it. Once you download, you will see the downloaded file, as you can see here. So you have JavaScript and I mean everything is there. So what you can do, you can simply extract everything to a folder of your choice. So in my case I prefer to store everything under the app dev folder, application development folder. Let's create a new folder there. I created CS112, and then you can go there and just select that folder to download the contents. Now click on extract. So as you are extracting, you can see that all the contents are extracted inside this folder. It's going on. So it's about done. So it's done. Now once you complete that, you should be able to see under your CS112 folder there is a JavaScript jQuery subfolder, and you see everything there. You see the book apps, the applications in the book. You will see all the applications there. You will see the exercises. I mean, there is some there are some exercises, startup code for the exercises as well. You will get the solutions, solution for certain elements. So you get everything. I mean, you get everything for carrying out your practices. So you don't have to go anywhere else. It is a one-stop place for you to gather everything. Okay? If you have any question, don't hesitate to email me, or you can jump into my office hour. Just drop me an email and you should be able to join my office hour. I will set up some time for you and we will be talking together. So that's precisely the way we can install the applications of the book. The next element on your lab is installing the Chrome. I believe that majority of us already have Chrome on our devices. If you don't have, yeah, you may not have that, then you need to go to the same appendix A and just take a look at how to install Chrome. In my case, I already have the Chrome. I mean, it is there. You can see the browser that I'm using. It's basically the Chrome. So you can change the default browser. You can start the settings application, start for default web browser. I mean, you can do a lot of things there. Then in order to make sure that your browsers are set up correctly, you can start the file explorer and navigate to this folder. So here is our file explorer, so here we can navigate to the folder. So let's say we go to chapter 1, email list, and then we can easily click index file, and you see here the web page shows up. So that means it is the page is showing up onto the Chrome browser. So we should be good with that. And then you can do, I mean, you can go through different parts of 1, 2 and 3, and then that will set up your Chrome. Okay, so next step should be the Visual Studio Code. So that's the one of the most important thing that you have to do as a part of this lab. So you can, you can use any editor of your choice, but I recommend that you use Visual Studio Code. Why? Because in the future, if you work for a company, it is most likely that you will be required to use, or you will prefer to use, one of the integrated development environments, and Visual Studio Code, which is a Microsoft product, but it runs on all the systems including the MacBook. But the main, I mean, advantage of Visual Studio Code is you can have a lot of plugins there, and you can basically run any applications, code any applications, edit applications, and run them pretty easily. So let's see what you need to do for installing the Visual Studio Code. So you should go to this particular folder, particular URL. You can go through these steps. You can download the Visual Studio Code, then you can start it. And I downloaded the Visual Studio Code on my desktop and on my device, and here is the snippet of the Visual Studio VS Code on my system, this one. So I actually went to the, if you see on the left hand side, you will see a lot of add-on buttons. So I went to the extensions button, and then I typed JavaScript, and there are a lot of plugins there, so I just included many of them. You are free to include any JavaScript button. Now once you are done, then you can go and do the open folder. Now guess what you need to open? You need to open the folder that you have just installed. So here, So basically, let's go back to the book. So let's see what it asks for here. So basically, the book apps, it you should be able to open the book apps, select folder, and here you are. You have all the applications installed. So now you are ready to code anything. So this lab will get you prepared for doing all the assignments that we will be working throughout this course. Don't worry, these coding assignments will be very simple. You know, many of them you will find when you install the applications from the book, you will be able to find many of them in common. The purpose here is to learn as much as possible. You know, our purpose in this class is to be successful, to learn as much as possible, to get prepared for the next stage, next step of our career. So this is how you can get all the requirements done for your lab 1a. And let's go back and see what else. If we miss anything, let's see. So as you can see that you what you can do here, to show what you have set up on your computer, you can upload a screen capture of Visual Studio and Chrome running on your computer. So what you should do is basically create a Microsoft Word document, and inside that Word document start uh, taking the snippets of the works that you have done. I mean, first of all, we have downloaded everything. So present a snippet of your downloaded folder. For example, I'm talking about this one, um, not just this one. So go there and just show that you have downloaded all these three subfolder. Take the snippet of the entire screen. Do you know how to take snippets? That's a good point. Actually, I should be showing you. So on your I'm talking about the Microsoft Windows operating system. MacBooks have different one, but it's comparable. So basically, if you go to your search area and just type snip, you will see the snipping tool. Click on that. So as soon as you click on that, you will see this window pops up. Then you create new. That means you are taking a new screenshot. Let's do that. So once you do the new, you will be able to select the area, whatever you want to screenshot, and then release your mouse button. We are talking about the left mouse button. So after that, you will be able to see this one, and then you can copy this one using the copy button. You know, there is a copy button here. So copy, but don't try to download save the file. You don't need to, just copy it. It will be copied onto your clipboard, you know. So copy it using your left mouse button, and then you can open a Word file, brand new Word file. So if you open it, then you can simply do Control V and you can paste it. So all you have to do for this assignment, paste a copy of this one, and then what are the other things? Let's see quickly. You have to do the Chrome. So let's take a screenshot of this Chrome window as a whole, and then you can take a screenshot of your Visual Studio, um, this one, screenshot of this one, which will show all the book chapters that you have opened through your files. So that's all you need to upload, and then you should go to the canvas, and then you should be able to let me walk you through this process as well. But this is not published yet. That's not good. So if I publish this assignment, then you will be able to do that. But basically, what you should be doing here is you go to the lab, and then you should be able to start your assignment, and then you should be able to upload the Word document, and that will be it. And your evaluation will be done based on the rubric below. So if all criterias, all these three screenshots are provided, then you will get 25 out of 25. If you just show the Visual Studio Code and source code and no Chrome, then 20 points. If only one of them is satisfied, then 15. And if you do not upload anything, if you do not do anything, if you upload some irrelevant screenshots, then you will not get any point. So this is one of the easiest labs, guys. I mean, just go ahead and complete it. Okay. And if you have any questions, my email address, everything that you need to do to reach out to me. Okay. Happy coding, guys. Bye.